Welcome to Key Smart Apps. This video will guide you through managing expense categories in the Finance module. This feature helps organize financial entries related to company and employee expenses, making it easier to track and generate financial reports. To view existing expense categories, navigate to Configuration greater than Expense categories. A list of existing categories will be displayed, including details such as expense category name, expense account, expense type, descriptions and creation update information. Examples of categories include communication, meals, and gifts. To create a new expense category, click the plus Create button. In the expense category form, enter the following details. Expense category, provide a name for the category such as allowance. Expense account, select the relevant expense account, e.g. 601-1001-11/accommodation allowance. Expense type, choose whether the expense is for an employee or company. Description, optionally, enter additional details about the expense category, click Create to save the new expense category. To edit an existing expense category, locate the category you want to modify and click the Edit icon. Update any necessary details such as the category name, expense account, type, or description. Click Apply. Changes to save the modifications. To delete an expense category, click the Edit icon next to the category you want to remove. Scroll down and click Delete. Confirm the deletion to remove the category from the system. To import multiple expense categories at once, click the Import Expense Categories button. Download the provided XLSX template, then fill it out with the required details. Expense category, expense account, expense type. Upload the completed file. A verification table will display the uploaded data including row number, expense category name, expense account, expense type. Review the data. If correct, click Load Data. If there are errors, click Clear. Correct the file and re-upload. For additional options, click the Actions button. Columns, customize which columns are visible. Filter, apply filters to refine the expense category list. Group by, organize data by specific fields. Pivot, generate pivot tables for analysis. Report, generate reports based on expense categories. Download, export data in different formats. Subscription, subscribe to receive updates or reports. And that's how you configure expense categories in KeySmart applications. We hope this tutorial helps you streamline your payment processes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Contact us at info@ideaccc.com or visit us at ksasupport.com for more resources.